खड्गमय, तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, now we'll start with our next property. Then in the last class we studied about which property we studied? We studied about closure property. Closure property. And the next one is commutative property. We studied about commutative property. Commutative property means reversing the numbers. Okay, we studied about that also. Yes, commutative property. The next one is associative property. The next one is associative. Today we will start with this property, associative property. We will start with the associative property today. Okay, here also associative property we have for the whole numbers, we have for the integers, and we have for the rational numbers also. All the three we have. Yes, all the three we'll study it and we'll see it. Okay, associative property we'll see it for the all the three numbers. Okay, associative property for all the three. First one is whole numbers. Associative property means what? Here when we have a three numbers, when we have a three numbers and grouping of that numbers, the grouping of that numbers and reversing the grouping, that is called as associative property. You all know that. First we'll solve with the whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers. Whole numbers are addition. Addition will not hold. Not hold. Okay. And for the subtraction also not hold. Only for division it holds. Only for multiplication. Why multiplication, children? When we multiply these two numbers like this. Yes? When we multiply and group the numbers. This will hold good. This will hold good. Okay? Only in the multiplication case, whole numbers can hold good. Okay? And next one. And division also not holds. No. Here also not. Here also not. Understood? Only in the multiplication case, the whole numbers associative property holds. Now, integers. We'll move on to the integers. In integers, associative property holds and multiplication property holds. Why? Tell you. Okay. Same. Okay. 2 plus. Okay. 3 plus 4. Grouping I am doing. Okay. After that, 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4. It holds. Okay. But when we do the subtraction, when we do the minusing, it not holds because sign varies. Sign varies. So, not hold for subtraction. Addition holds. Now, multiplication we'll see. 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 into 2 into 4. It holds. Now, we'll do the division, children. Division to division also not holds. Try it once. 2 divided by 3 divided by 4. It will not hold. In simple way only, in the question only we can identify it easily. It will not hold, children. In the integral also, it will not hold for the division. Now the real topic is rational numbers. Yeah, rational numbers. In the rational numbers, when the association property is there, it holds. It holds. Okay. Why it holds, we'll see. Okay. 2 by 3. Okay. Plus 3 by 3, 2 by 1 sum they given in the question only. We will solve it that only. Associative property for the rational numbers. Minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 5 by 6. Okay? Minus 5 by 6. Now do the grouping now. This will be like this only. Plus this one we have to do. This one. Take the LCM of these two. LCM you all know now how to find out the LCM 6 and children. Yes? Okay. 5 ones are 5. 6 will be 6 ones are 6. 5 into 6 are how much? 30. We got how much LCM? We got 30 LCM. Yes, we got 30. Now 5 6 are 6 5s are. Yes, we got how much? 5 6 are 6 5s are. 3 6 are how much children? 18. Plus bracket minus 25. Minus now these two. How much we get? 25 minus 8 how much? Minus 7 we get. Okay, minus 2 by 3 plus minus 7 by 30. Minus these two. How much we get children? How much we get? 30, 30 and 3. Okay, again we have to take LCM. Again we have to take LCM children. Take the LCM, what we get? We get lastly 9 by 10. It holds. It holds for the addition. It holds for the addition. But it will not hold for the subtraction because it will be little difficult in that. It will not hold for the subtraction. Associative property will not hold for the subtraction. Now the multiplication. Multiplication also holds. Simple thing. If I plus is the minus. Plus minus into. Only that changes. Okay. It will hold for the multiplication. And division. The division also it will not hold because division answer. So it will not hold for the division also. It will not hold for the division also. One sum they did for the division, we'll solve it one. You all know the LCM now children, you all know how to solve the LCM HCM. Okay, please concentrate on that. If you don't know the LCM, tell me how to do that. Ask me. Okay, please don't get confusion. These LCM HCM will be doing the 6th standard only children. Okay, yes, you all know that now. Okay. Okay, division. On the division we will solve one sum. 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. Division. Okay, division. This can be grouped like this also. 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. It can be written like this also. So, grouping. Make a group now. LHS is equals to RHS we have to make. Okay. We will solve now. Okay. This part we will solve first. We get 1 by 2 divided by reversing of numbers. Minus 1 by 3 into this will go up into division ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So 5 by understood now? Reciprocal. When we are converting the sign to into division into multiplication ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we have to reverse the quotient. Understood now? Understood now how to convert the quotient? Okay? Okay. Okay, how to read the questions understood now? Now we will solve this sum. 5 by 2 we got? Yes? Okay. Here, what all things we get now? What all things we get? 1 by 2. Now divide now. It can be divided. It can be multiplied now. Take the LHS of these two. Take the LHS of that two and these two. Will not get. It will be wrong. Both the LHS is equals to LHS. RHS will not get. It will be wrong children. Okay? Understood now? The rational numbers, in rational numbers, associative property holds for addition, holds for multiplication, not holds for the division and the subtraction. Okay? Understood now the property? Okay. Now, we will solve some of the problems on the Some of the problems of the rational numbers. Okay? Addition problems we will do first. After that, we will go on to the subtraction and that all things. Okay? First one. First problem in your textbook only they solved. Page number 21 children. First problem on addition. On addition. 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 21. Here how many numbers we have? 4 numbers we have. How many numbers we have? 4 numbers we have. Okay children, they given us 4 numbers now. In these numbers, first what we have to do first, they given us 4 numbers. What we have to do, we have to take a LCM first. We have to take a LCM. We have a 7, 11, 21, 21. That is a big number. When we find the LCM of this one, we get what? LCM will be 462. 462. Find out this. You only do by yourself, okay children? I will not solve now. Okay, solve this. You will understand. You all know na. Then show me how to do that. Okay. We get the LCM of 462. Okay. 462. We got how much? 462. Okay. 7. How much of 462 we have to see. And 11. How much of 462? 21. How much? 21. How much? We have to see that. After seeing, we got that answer 198 divided by 462 plus minus 252 divided by 462 plus minus 176 divided by 462 plus 105 divided by 462. We get this one. After doing that all things, we get this one. After that, we have to take the LCM. The denominator will be the same now. We did the LCM. So 662 will be the common number. We'll take it out. Now add these all things. 198 minus 252 minus 176 plus 105. Add these all children. How much we get? Just do it. We get lastly we get minus 125 divided by 465. What we get? 462. Yes, we got that answer. This is called as a addition problem of rational numbers. These all we did it in the last year. LCM we know. How to find out the LCM we all know. Okay. We know how to multiply the number denominator with the numerator we know. After that how to add the numbers we all know. Okay. The lastly answer also you all know. This problem can be solved by another method also. Can be solved by another method. Using the properties we can solve. Using the what? Properties we can solve. How to solve the numbers using properties. We'll do it by the using property. We'll show you how to do that using properties. How to do using properties. This is 22 children, sorry. Okay, 22 is. Okay. Now we'll do it using properties. This we did with a normal method. Using properties also we can solve it. Using properties also we can solve it. We'll tell you how to do the property. We have to make a group. Okay. 3 by 7 plus, okay, this one I will make a group. 21. One group. Okay. One more group is minus 6 by 11 plus 5 by 22. One more group this is. Yes. Two groups we have. One group is 3 by 7. One more group is 6 by 11. That is the two group. After that we have to take LCM of these two. These two separate togobeka, these two separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. After doing, how much we get? 7 and 21. Do that. How much we get? How much we get? LCM. LCM we get 21. For this. When we do the LCM of 11 and 22, we get 11 and 22. LCM will be how much? 22. Directly I am telling you, okay, you have to find out these two. I am not solving that all things. LCM that all things you only have to solve. So how much we get here? First one we got 21 LCM. Plus here also we got 22 LCM. So multiply that 21. 7 how much are 21? 3s are okay. 21 ones are 21. 11 how much are 22? 2s are okay. 22 ones are 22. Okay. 3 3s are 9 we got plus 8 ones are 8. Next one 6 2s are how much? Minus 12 plus 5 ones are. Yes. We did. This is the way using the properties. That we same problem I did it with the full method. This property and commutative property. The both properties can be applied here. We can solve it by that way also, we can solve it by this way also, okay, which is easier for you, solve it. Here also we get same answer. How much we got for the previous? 125 divided by 462. Here also we get that much only. Understood? Yes? Okay. The next problem now, using multiplication. The rational numbers, solving the rational numbers using multiplication. Sum minus 4 by 5 into minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. Okay. Here also they given a 4 numbers. Here also we have how many numbers children? Here also we have 4 numbers only. What we have to do? We have to make a group. I will make a group now. Okay. First, minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7. One group into 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. It is a one more group. Okay, I did a group here. I am using what? Here also I am using properties. Here also we are using properties. Multiply that to how much? 5 sevens are how much? 35. 4 threes are okay. Into 16 nines are how much? 16 nines are yes. 16 into 9. First one, after that 15 into minus 14. Multiply now. Take a LCM children, 16 and 9. Take a LCM, you will get 24. Yes, minus 35. Yes. After that directly multiply these two. Directly multiply. How much we get? These two. 35 into 24, 12 into 35. How much we get? 1 by 2. After dividing, cancellation will be okay. Here see, easily I will tell. When we have this much, 35 ones are 35 ones are okay. 12 ones are 12. Directly we can get the answer 1 by 2. Before we are minusing, multiplying or whatever, we can cancel it there only. You all know how to cancel the numbers. You all know how to cancel the numbers. Yes. Here also we can cancel the number. One theory I will tell you how to cancel the numbers. Okay. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are okay. First one. After that 2 twos are 2 eights are yes. 2 ones are 2 fours are yes. How many numbers gone? See, easily I am telling. If you want the ugly answer, you can do by this method also. We get a 1 by 2 only. We cancelled. Okay. After that 5 ones are 5 threes are 3 ones are 3 ones are okay. Next, in which number is remaining now? Here 4 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. Lastly, what remains? See here, nothing is remaining up. Here only 1 is remaining up. Down. We got same answer 1 by 2. Directly we did. Without multiplication, without anything. In this, after this, one step we have. The next one will be second step. Okay, understood how to do with the easier format. That will be the lengthier method. This will be the shorter method. Okay, children, we'll solve the next part and the next explanation in the next class. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.